Today we have a kitchen where the customer had an outdated kitchen. She wanted to add additional countertop space. We wanted to redesign the whole space to make it more functional, add additional lighting. Let me show you what we did. The cabinets before were old, outdated, white oak cabinets that were poorly designed, and they didn't have a lot of countertop space. The new cabinets she picked were a countryside cabinet with a Cambridge door that was built with maple wood and a mist finish. She also chose a under cabinet light rail that we added that she didn't have before. She picked these beautiful chrome hand hardware. She also picked this beautiful rolling fog quartz that was a stock item, which saved a little bit of money on the price of the project. She also chose a beautiful Kohler single bowl vault sink with a Moen Arbor chrome faucet, an RO, a soap dispenser. We also added these two chrome seagull sconce lights that she didn't have before. She just had a light above the window. Previously, the homeowner had the refrigerator in this location over here and a double oven on the other wall in the house on the other side of the kitchen. We relocated her stove to this area, added the microwave hood to get the microwave off the countertop space. This customer didn't really like the opening space on the top of these cabinets here where she was collecting additional dust, and she wanted to turn that additional space into cabinet space. So we filled in the wall on the top, we drywalled it to the top of the beams and add these much taller cabinets. We also added this beautiful island with recessed toe kick all the way around. We had 3 different floors in this area, in the kitchen, the entrance, and the dining area, 3 different floor styles. And what we did is we took them all out to make it one consistent 2 1/4, 3 1/4 red oak. We sanded, we finished it with a clear coat. It looks amazing. Although the space is the same size as the previous kitchen, it almost looks like we doubled her space and her functionality. This customer is truly pleased.